a big bombshell that was being dropped. Hence, this explains my presence here. So let's go on what's happening. Things are about to change, you know. Let's see this thing, that chart that we saw yesterday. Right? We all know the target for November is 98K. We're just going to break out of here. Now, will it go here to around 200? I don't know. People are asking me like, okay, do I sell? Do I not sell? Do I hope? Ooh, hope. Hope is not a strategy. But you got to look at the charts. And what I can say is if you have made enough, you should start selling whatever you can so that you are in a position to take advantage of this. There should be no doubt, so that you can have sleepless nights. And as you sleep, it just goes up, and you wake up tomorrow and then you say like, what is going on? I've sold yesterday and my account keeps going up. And the best example of that is yours truly, me. Okay, I sleep very well nowadays. Now, if you still haven't made what you think you should make or can make, you might just want to hold. Okay, you might just want to hold, wait until this rally. It's going to be wild, it's going to be furious. My advice to you is simple: sell. Put a sell stop. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Because we don't know where the top is. I don't know where the top is. I don't know whether it's a local top. I don't know whether it's the top. I don't know. All I know is that the top, we crash, we come back. 2017, the top, we crash, we come back. So whatever it is, you still have a chance to get out. If I know some of you are very, very greedy, right? And you want to stay on for the market for how many years? I don't know, but it's time, okay? It's going to look something like this. Beyond that, I do not know. So that's what I'm going to tell you today. But let's look now at whatever is happening here. Ooh, so it's a good day for Bitcoin. It's a good day for the rest, but it's a good day for the old dogs, okay? That old coin is going to show you that. Let's go crypto market here. Where are we now? Whoa, we are at 41.3. Very, very good. Bitcoin has gone down a bit. Ethereum has gone down a bit. But look at this. All these guys, Cardano, Ripple, okay, it's gone up a little bit. But I was more looking at, look at that Litecoin. It is blasting through. I think the transactions on Litecoin are very high. And look at this BCH. You know, guys know, right? I kind of use in my trading accounts, I kind of use Bitcoin Cash as a proxy for Bitcoin. In my bigger accounts, yes, I have Bitcoins and I put all my sales into Bitcoin so that I'm not fully out of the market yet. But man, the old guys are going up. So let's look at them now. And then we go to the biggest news, which is about which country, guys? Which countries? It's about Singapore. Man, what has happened to Singapore? What did I say? When start selling? If you have made enough money like me, you can start selling now. Not all, but just have a selling program. If you think you have not made enough money, you got to be ready to start selling when it goes here, you know, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. You don't know when the top is. I don't know when the top is. I think it's going to be 2 weeks before Chinese New Year, because I think that people have to prepare for Chinese New Year. I don't know. Where's Winnie? Ask her. You know, she's the typical, not atypical, but kind of a typical, right, Malaysian living in Singapore from Kedah will have to make preparations to go back to Kedah, which is north of Malaysia. And you ask her, when is she selling, you know, to get enough money for ang paos and all of that? I would think 2 weeks before. So here we are, Bitcoin, we're struggling again. Ethereum is doing better. Ethereum looks like it wants to hit 5. I just love it when it wants to hit 5 because, you know, it just is a round number, right? It's a round number. So yeah, like for me, like I have some. I believe that Ethereum is going to 8. I believe that during a blow off top, it's going to touch 20. Not financial advice. Let's be very quick, right? You won't even realize it. You won't even believe the moves. Maybe next time I'm going to talk about the moves leading to this last hurrah. But I have some sell orders already set at 5,000. It didn't hit yesterday. It was so close. It was very, very close. I was very, very frustrated, but that's life. So, but I want to show you something else. As I said, the old dogs are moving. Well said, right? At the time the old dogs are moving, I kind of like this ADA. I think I already put it in my comments. Okay, so look at that. there was a nice, look at this double bottom here. So that was a nice bull trap that caught everyone out. This caught the non-believers out. This has been going down for so long. And look, it has broken out. So you guys know what to do. This is an easy one. You know, I think it could come back down here and then it goes back up again. Not financial advice, just my opinion. What else do we see? This one is very attractive because this one, Litecoin, is actually supported by fundamentals. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm going to go to the weekly here and yeah, just look at that. This is very significant. It's really going towards its previous ATH. I will show you why. Look at that. See, it's going towards here. And look, we have double, right? We have a double top here. So you know this is the third try at the ATH. I think this is going to work. You know why? Because there is a reason for Litecoin going up with a lot of platforms going on crypto. For example, PayPal, and I'm sure there'll be more. Even Malaysia has Litecoin, right? I don't know whether we can Litecoin buy nasi lemak with Litecoin and all that, but I think it's going to challenge here. Beyond that, I don't know. But if it looks like this, you know that there is a good chance it may just pop up higher. Congratulations, Litecoin. Now, why I like this? Usually, I really don't believe all these old coins because some of them are zombie coins. You gotta remember, these guys are zombie coins. They have nothing. And some of them have been caught actually trying to manipulate their transaction. But Litecoin is real. So it's one of those oldies that's kind of real, okay? And if you know that once upon a time, a long time ago in the far away land, Litecoin was actually a proxy for Ethereum, right? Litecoin would move in tandem with Ethereum. The other one is Ethereum Classic. Let's look at that. Now, Ethereum Classic is one of my favorites because it always follows Ethereum. Now, the best thing about Ethereum Classic following Ethereum is there's always a lag, you know, there's always a lag. So if you guys fell asleep, there's always a chance to go in and look at that. Let's look at the daily. Now look at that. It has suddenly popped. So it kind of allowed Ethereum to go up for the longest time. And I kind of like this. What do I see here? But I just love this pattern, right? I just love this pattern. It isn't even threatening anything. Look at that. Just look at that, right? I'm going to challenge this zone again, this resistance zone. Why are you green? But look at that high there. So we have a long way to go, Ethereum Classic. So you see how these coins are very good. And look, when it goes down, it's kind of limited, right? So that's why I like the old coins. It's not exciting as the new coins that you young guys like, right? Like the Solanas, like the Shiba Inus, Floki Inu, what else? Is that a baby Inu, mother Inu, Papa Inu? I have no idea what you guys are doing, but here, I kind of like this for the more conservative crowd, and we have to respect there are a lot of conservative people in our group. So other than this, another one that I was looking at that I am particularly interested, I call this the nasi lemak coin. This I am really being slowly swayed into the dark side. Okay, Dash is like a privacy coin. Okay, I think privacy is going to be very important, especially with the US you know, wanting did they get the infrastructure bill passed? Did they get the crypto? I'm not sure. Did they get the crypto statement in the infrastructure bill passed? Because at a certain point next year, if you want to transfer a certain amount of cryptos or you transact, you have to do your KYC. You know, if not, it is a felony. So I kind of like this Dash. Look, it's 237. The last cycle it went to 450. Clearly, look at that. Look, it's so clear. I mean, this resistance, that's probably somewhere here. It's probably at the resistance. You can say that this is a fake breakout. But this is what I really like about Dash. Remember, if it does this, just guys, if you want to play with this, not financial advice, can you guys like do me a favor and put a what? Put sell stop somewhere. Okay, it's not even here. Let's find another chart for this. Put a sell stop somewhere, because if this goes to some silly number high, let's see, where is the old one that has, yeah, do they have it? Dash Tether. Look at that. When did they have this? No, they don't even have it. This coin, let me see. If we don't find it, I tell you the all-time high. Who knows the all-time high for this, guys? Where else do they have? Dash Tether, Dash Perpetual. My God. This is that. Hopefully they have it in Poloniex. Poloniex is an old one. Yeah. Look at that, guys. I want you to really look at that, not 2021. I can't even show it on the day, okay? I'm going to show it on the week here. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. I mean, what is there not to love? See, I have to pull this chart down. Look, 1,600. This is probably going to last 25 seconds, okay? So, you know, if it does that, this is going somewhere. I kind of like that, kind of speculative, unlike Litecoin, which has a real use case or real fundamentals, transactions that driving this. I'm not sure of Dash, but I just look at that and I just look that this looks like a real breakout to me. So if we are at this, I can see some coins doing a Dash, not necessarily Dash, but, you know, if you want to speculate, not financial advice, I cannot argue with you. Now, the next news that I want to bring up is not so good news. I feel very disappointed, especially if you are from Singapore. What's up, Singapore? Hobby to halt services in Singapore after China exit. Come on, come on. Everything else is good. See, crypto has gone from weird to cool thanks to NFTs, thanks to Visa. Robinhood COO praises Shiba. The wait list for crypto wallets is growing. Everything is good. Okay, we understand that Coinbase shares, they didn't do well because last quarter was bad, right? Quarter 3 was bad. It only went up recently. But look at this. Hobby is even to stop everything in Singapore now. End of March next year. Okay, so at least they're giving you time, but this is kind of sad. What are you Singaporeans going to do now? Guys, you don't have Binance. You don't have Hobby. At least in Malaysia, we have Hobby. Look, United States, Canada, Japan, Cuba, Iran, Venezuela, Singapore, Crimea, mainland China, Kyrgyzstan, did I pronounce that? United Kingdom. So Malaysians, who's from Malaysia here, celebrate. We can still go Hobby. I kind of love Hobby, especially when I stake Hobby and get immutable X. That was such a good trade. So I kind of love Hobby. It has a lot of things. Hobby is basically my replacement for Binance. So I do not know why, okay? Singapore has been emerging major cryptocurrency global hub. Local regulators issuing multiple licenses to legalize crypto trading in the country. Okay, what does Ravi Menon say? The authority is putting very strong regulation to strengthen Singapore's position as the world's crypto center. What do we do, guys? Dennis says we move to Thailand. Do we move to Thailand? Look at that. What is this? So Thailand, they also have problem with Thailand, but I kind of like Hobby. So I think without Binance, I'm already like, you know, I have a small handicap, right? But without Hobby, guys, without Hobby, what are we to do? It's serious. I hope you guys can still access KuCoin. I am not sure. It doesn't sound good. So actually one of the best countries to be in. I'm not sure about Thailand. I haven't used Satang, then is actually Malaysia. We're only banning Binance. Okay, the rest are okay. Hobby and KuCoin. And Hobby, if you do not know, already has operations in Malaysia. It's called Hobby Labuan. It says that as Malaysians, we cannot sign up for it. That's good. Plus, if you are in Malaysia, guys, Malaysia is the best place to spend your crypto profits. Let me tell you, look at this, guys. This is the BMW. Hey, you guys, can you guys get a voucher for me? Can you guys get an affiliate link for Tourism Malaysia? At least I should be given an affiliate link in bringing investment in the country. But anyway, look at this. This is 420,000 ringgit. Now, I want you to know something that in our last budget, the Malaysians, in looking, or people like me who have made a lot of money in crypto and want to spend it, have actually reduce their tax. No, they have eliminated all the taxes on electric vehicles. Guys, this BMW iX now in Malaysia without, and everything is tax-free now, okay, is now 313K, guys. So in Malaysia, hello, can you guys get Tourism Malaysia? I still haven't gotten my affiliate link. I don't know why. This is so unfair, guys. Look at this, guys. You can trade on Hobby, and they have a lot of good trading pairs. So that's cool. And then, you know, you can have a lot of things on a very secure platform. And then you make your 100K sing or whatever, you can spend it on a BMW iX. Guys, this is one 100K Sing. Now, no other country in the world has this. Now, I don't want to talk anymore because I still don't have that affiliate link from Tourism Malaysia. This is so unfair. Let's look at the rest of the news now. So look at this, like social network. This is good. So if you are an influencer, you can actually brand yourself. I'm going to show you something before I go. How good are Malaysians? I mean, guys, Malaysians are leading the way, guys. Malaysians are leading the way. I am glad that I have chosen to stay along in Malaysia because things are cheap here. Plus, it seems that Malaysians, we are the experts in NFTs, guys. Look at this Malaysian kid. He made like 800K, 800,000 US. Is it? Yeah, 800,000 US. He made like 1.2 million Sing from selling a song as an NFT. That's why, guys, Malaysia has a lot of talent. I don't think we've been doing enough, but I'm glad that Malaysians are doing so that we may lead. Okay, that's it for today. I just had to come live because there's so many things going on. I just want to put a proper perspective for this. Good trading tomorrow. You guys are going to meet Brian. See you later, guys. Bye.